Introducing Matchaful Hikari Single Origin Ceremonial Matcha, the green tea experience like no other. Prepare to elevate your tea game to the next level. Nestled in the lush hills of Shizuoka, Japan, where the art of tea cultivation has been perfected for generations, comes a matcha so pure, so vibrant, it's like sipping serenity itself. Matchaful's Hikari, a single origin ceremonial matcha, is an exquisite blend of tradition and innovation. What makes Hikari special? It's the smooth and creamy palate with tasting notes of walnut, lemon, and butter. This robustly bodied matcha is our go-to for creative lattes and smoothies. Sustainably grown in the hills of Shizuoka, Japan, Hikari is carefully crafted from hand-picked tea leaves of the green tea shrub. Unlike many matcha products that are blends from multiple farms, Hikari is 100% Japanese matcha from a single source. Preparing your perfect cup of Matchaful Hikari is simple. Just sift, whisk, and enjoy. Sourced from a multi-generational single estate, Hikari is ground to order from first harvest tea leaves. It's pesticide-free, fertilized with organic materials, and shaded by solar panels. At Matchaful, we believe in transparency. That's why we source our matcha from a sustainable, fourth-generation family farm in Japan. Matchaful is more than just matcha, it's a commitment to well-being. Each product is crafted with care to benefit your overall health. Founded by Hannah Havs, Matchaful is the result of a personal health journey. She envisioned high-quality, organic matcha with a transparent supply chain and environmentally sustainable practices. Elevate your tea experience with Matchaful Hikari Single Origin Ceremonial Matcha. Experience the purest matcha, handcrafted with tradition and care. Visit Matchaful today and discover the taste of serenity. Elevate your tea game with Matchaful. Matchaful, where tradition meets innovation. Link in comment box.